Good students all over the world. This is a very challenging question for students. It's an algebraic question. Let's quickly see what the answer would be. Now we're given that x plus 1 over x is equals to the square root of 3. Now we're told simply to find x to the 7 plus 1 over x to the 7. It is very simple. You don't need to be scared. The first thing to find is x to the 5 plus 1 over x to the 5. So let's do that. Very simple. So just square both sides. If you are squaring both sides, you are going to get 1 over x. Then you have the square here. Then you have root 3 times what? Root 3. And that will give us what? 3. Now, if you square this, let's first of all open it. We have x plus 1 over x. So this x, first of all, would be written. Then everything here would be written x plus 1 over x. Then plus everything here, you have 1 over x. Then it's the same everything here now. X plus 1 over x equals to what? To 3. So what are we going to have here now? X times x, we have x squared, then plus x times x, x times 1 over x, then plus this again times this, 1 over x times x, then plus what do we have here? 1 over x times 1 over x, you have 1 over x squared equals to 3. So what will happen now? This will cancel out this will cancel out this, so we are having 1 here. So we have x squared plus 1 plus 1 plus what? Plus 1 over x squared equals to 3. Finally, you can see now that we have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals to what? 3. This was 2. So you subtract 2 from this other side. So what are we going to have now? We're going to have that what? X squared plus 1 over x squared will be equals to what? Will be equals to 1. So we have gotten this. We're going to keep this one in heart. So we will need it in the future. So now after getting this, the next thing, don't forget what we are simply looking for is x to the 5, first of all. So now how are we going to get x to the 5? Well, let's multiply this. This is x squared plus 1 over x squared. Let's multiply it with what? With x plus 1 over x equals to what? This will be 1. Don't forget, what is this now? Since you are multiplying both sides by x plus 1 over x, don't forget that x plus 1 over x is what? It is the square root of 3. So the same will multiply this place because you have multiplied this equation with x plus 1 over x. So the same thing will also have to what? So the same thing need to apply to the right hand side. So let's expand this. Now, if you expand this using the same process that I used here, the same process that I use in expanding this, very simple. You will get what? X cubed plus x, then plus 1 over x, then plus what? Plus 1 over x cubed. This will be equals to what? Your square root of what? Of 3. Now, what do we have here? You can see this number here. What does this number represent? It represents what? The square root of 3. So when it goes the other direction, we have x cubed plus 1 over x cubed will be equals to what? The square root of 3 minus the square root of 3, because this represents what? The square root of 3. So finally, we are going to get what? 0. So you can see that x cubed plus 1 over x cubed is what? Is 0. But don't forget, what we are simply looking for is what? Is x to the 5. So what do we do now? You can now say therefore that x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. What are we going to multiply with x cubed to get x to the 5? We multiply what? X squared plus 1 over x squared equals to, this was 0 times, don't forget this was what? This means what? Is 1. This number here, this x squared plus 1 over x squared means what? It means 1. So you just add your 1 there, or you multiply your 1. And if you use the same procedure of expansion that I used here, you're going to get x to the 5 plus 1 over x to the 5, then plus x plus 1 over x, which is equals to what? Still 0. And if you see what is the meaning of x plus 1 over x, we have that to be what? The square root of 3. So when it crosses to the other side, we are going to get 0 minus what? The square root of 3. So finally, we can just say that what? That x to the 5 will be equals to what? Equals to what? Will be equals to what? The negative square root of what? Of 3. So that is what? X to the 5 plus 1 over x to the 5. So let's keep this to heart. This and this. Let's keep it to heart. Now let's go over to finding x to the 7 plus 1 over x to the 7. Okay, now since we have noted these two very, very important equations, now let's move on to the next. Now the next thing we're going to do is, we already know that what? X squared plus 1 over x